Coinorth has a good mix of professionals who handles it very well of execution of the project as well and understanding needs of functional team because we do not know software language specifically. So we know our operational even the terms which are used to communicate with the software team or in a software development world are much different than what we are used to at shop floor operation, industrial operation. So their Koinart team has supported us tremendously, and even they know Hindi, which is mostly comfortable with the shop floor guys here. So they could connect and understand our problems, which are very complex in nature. Many a times it took us about 3 to 4 hours just to explain one problem of the or one process of the entire operation. So they patiently listened to us and then they understood and then they themselves made a document on what is their understanding and then they again sent it back to us. So this is how we could uh, put everything in place one by one. So this experience is very unique because now with digitization journey in place at most of the Hindalco plants, we are interacting with many of the startups. But compared to them, Coinor has very flexible and supportive team. So that is what has impressed us. I must give credit to Coinar team who have relentlessly worked and explained every, even the technical part where we know nothing of, but they took a lot of time and they explained us what is the security which they are putting for our system, how they have designed the entire architecture of the system. So I was very impressed. And in fact, I have visited Hyderabad facility, Bangalore facility of Coinar as well. So there, each member of the team like architecture, structural design, programmer, and Amit, manager. So all of them, um, it was managed very beautifully. Everyone they came to me, they explained their own process and what they have done and what they have understood. So I was very impressed to see that most of them have understood that their part, irrespective of complexity of the entire chain.
Did anything